I'd be like, okay, they don't like me, but whatever. I'm just going to go over here and do something else. Yeah, I mean, there was pushback. There was sometimes, I would get questions from managers who are like, why is my employee doing this work for you because they have their day job over here, but they're working on this robot for you. Like, I don't want that. I didn't approve of that. And um, most managers would not do that, to be very clear. Like, because I think we always had this innovative culture. Like, if you get your day job done, well, fine. If you got other time to do other stuff, like that's great. I mean, people would get their. This is almost like side projects. People would. We live, the headquarters was in Silicon Valley, and the culture here is very much like people will finish their day jobs and then they'll go work on a startup at night.